Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. First, launch WhatsApp on your phone. If you are on Android, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Settings. If you are on an iPhone, tap your profile icon or settings gear labeled U in the bottom right corner. From the primary options list, tap directly on the configuration row option labeled Privacy. Inside the Privacy dashboard, locate the very first choice row option explicitly labeled Last Seen and Online and tap on it. Under the primary header section block labeled Who can see my last seen, select the option labeled Nobody. Next, look right below at the section block explicitly labeled Who can see when I'm online. Tap directly on the option choice labeled Same as Last Seen. By applying these combined selection rules, the system framework permanently cuts off your real-time active broadcast to everyone across the platform. Keep in mind that activating this privacy parameter means you also lose the ability to view the active online status or last active times of any other contacts. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.